This video, I will show you how to replace this right side lens on a 2000 Toyota Corolla. Right side, okay? Let's go see what tools we'll be needing. My guess will be only a screwdriver. Let's go check. Unlock your car. Pop the hood. There's a broken right side blinker, so I can pretty much touch the bulb. And yes, indeed, only a screwdriver. So we're gonna go ahead and unscrew this one, and the whole thing should come out this way. I do not want to move the headlight. Okay, I was able to take it out by pressing this side towards me, so this part can come out of there. Okay, so I was able to, put my fingers in there and press it this way. All right, let's go ahead and unplug the harness. Just twist it. Twist it to your right, and it should come out. See that? All right, since the new light comes with a bulb, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this one. There it is. All you have to do is push this little pin and kind of like pull the bulb out. Okay. And let's go ahead and plug in the harness into the bulb. There it is. And let's cross our fingers that the light bulb is in good condition, the new one that comes. Okay, let's go ahead and push that in there. Push this in through here. Let's see, can this go first? Yeah. Let's line up the holes. See that? Perfect. But then over here, okay, it's in there. A little clip is in there. And over here, you're gonna have to kind of push so you can line up the hole. And don't forget that there's another like kind of clip on the bottom, and it has to go in through that hole. Hopefully you guys can see that. All right, just like so. Okay, it's in. The screw is in, and go ahead and put this back because we didn't need it. We didn't end up needing to remove the headlight, so that's a good thing. Because otherwise, it would have been more work. Okay, let me go ahead and do it. There it is, my friends. I already double checked the bulb, and it does come on. And another do-it-yourself easy job on a 2000 Toyota Corolla. My next task should be wiping the headlights so they can look clear like this one, crystal clear. See that? See the difference? Hopefully you guys can give me some tips on how to do that. Okay. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to research YouTube. Comment down below.